Howdy, and welcome back to Attacks and Shades. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Day 5. Let's get into it. Let's pop this door open and see what we have. And I always want to be very careful. Oh, see, I just kind of ripped that centerpiece. I try to be as careful as possible with these perforations. And same thing with the bottom here. Yeah, see, this one's just kind of ripping the door. Dang it. And let's get this pulled out. And the story. Here we go. And this one is, oh, interesting. This one is called Fiddler's Friend. It's an interesting label. Thought that was the Grinch at first. There's a Sasquatch in the background. Give me another good look at that. It's an interesting label. All right. Let's get a whiff of it all real quick. Then we'll get into the story. Oh, it's light, but what is that? Let's put some of the splash on. And the ingredients are denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil, glycerin, aloe benzoin resin, cube shavings. How the heck did you get cube shavings? Oh, let's put a little bit on the back of the hand. There we go. Oh, that is nice. Oh, let's read this. So, scent profile of Fiddler's Friend. Bergamot, cedarwood, woody, patchouli, spice, oak moss, animalic musk. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Oh, those are, oh wow. For a second, I got a little Old Spice hint, but not quite. It like popped in and disappeared almost as quick as it came in. I think it's just my mind more than anything. Oh, that is nice. So, around the fire pits of Camp Phoenix, here we go. There are tales told of a midnight melody. Some say it's the wind through the trees. Others swear it's the eerie scrape of a violin bow across strings never meant for human hands. The Green Man himself is rumored to play, drawing Bigfoot and other hidden cryptids from their frosty slumber to gather in the shadows, sway into an ancient tune only they understand. Is it music or a warning? Either way, if you hear it, I beg you, do not follow it. One camper didn't heed this warning. Long ago, a boy named Harper slipped from his bunk, determined to catch a glimpse of the fiddler. His footprints led out into the snow, but when the counselors followed at dawn, the tracks ended abruptly in the middle of a frozen clearing. No boy, no fiddle, just a single sprig of holly pressed into the ice, humming faintly as if still vibrating from a final note. Be safe this holiday season and sleep in. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, I am loving this one. It's kind of got a bit of a powdery bit, but I think that's more the animalic musk and the oak moss mixing together. Something in there. Oh, maybe more the patchouli. Regardless. All right, so I'm going to get the gear together and the lather made. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. I am using, again, I'm doing a head shave, so I'm using my favorite PA razor I like to do head shaves with, and that's the Copper Ascension Select, which you've seen in a lot of these videos already. For the brush, I am using the Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Doppler, and I've got a wonderful, beautiful, fantastic lather going here. Have it whipped up in my Tinmokus bowl here. A beautiful handmade glazed bowl. Textured on the inside, pottery, but man, I really love this bowl. Whips up an amazing, amazing lather. So let's get the glasses off and the head wet, and let's get this shave going. Man, this smells so good. So it's dried down a little bit, and so much more is coming out. It is still slightly lighter scent. It's probably about a on scent strength, it's probably about a 3 out of 5. You know, baby mid-range. It's on the low mid area. But let's get this lather going here. Have 24 hours growth, of course, because I'm doing all these daily shaves. Oh man, what else is that? Man, that smells so good. What were these notes again? I'm gonna go over these notes one more time. It's got lather all over this paper. Get that off, don't want to ruin it. So it is bergamot, cedarwood, woody, patchouli, spice, oak moss, and animalic musk. Definitely getting a lot of the woods and patchouli in the musk. Beautiful, beautiful lather. All right. Set that down. Let's warm up the razor. My daughter decided to take a shower while I'm making this video, so you probably hear that. Her bathroom's right on the other side of my bathroom here, right behind my mirror. So, all right, here we go. Beautiful. Man, I am really, really loving this one. So far, day 5 is my favorite. I'm calling that now. Day 5, so far, is my favorite. Who knows what's coming up, but out of the first 5 days, this is my number 1. Excellent. And this razor is so good for a head shave. All right. Perfect. So, Christmas meals. What is tradition for you? Is it the ham? Is it a turkey again, like Thanksgiving? Is it something else? Is there something in your Christmas meal that maybe isn't considered traditional for the most part? Like, I guess, Hallmark greeting traditional. You know, what? Is there something different? Like here down south, tamales are a tradition. And we often have tamales at the Christmas dinner table with other stuff such as turkey or ham. Or usually we do turkey Thanksgiving and ham Christmas. Sometimes other things. Sometimes we'll cook up a brisket for Christmas. It just depends on the mood we're in. But typically it's something traditional like turkey or ham or both. But traditionally we always tend to have tamales, just a thing. Let's see how... Oh, we did fantastic. I don't have any cleanup. Just a little bitty spot right there. Gone. Maybe right here too. I think there was a little bit on the side here. And that is it. All right, let's get the back. Fantastic. Beautiful. Man, I am excited for this one. Fiddler's Friend. I'm gonna have to go back and look. I feel like there's been a lot of alliteration in the titles of these this year. I believe a lot of them were beginning with the same letter and sound so far. Well, I say a lot, there's only been 5, but I feel like they were doing that. Okay, still got some cleanup back here. Always do on the back of my head. The only thing that gets me close to a good one pass on the back of my head is an AC razor. Sometimes a gem. And the one blade, the thicker blade razors. Alright, got it. Alright, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Alright. Woo! Man, that was fantastic. Did a fantastic job. Excellent. Alright, let's get more of this splash. These cube shavings. A generous amount. Oh man, that feels good. Oh, definitely getting the oak moss now. And the musk. Oh, that is so good. Getting that bergamot, that citrus bergamot at the top a little bit. Oh, definitely getting all these notes. Yep, bergamot, cedarwood, woody, patchouli. I get the patchouli more in the soap, but in the dry down, I'm sure this is going to have more. But I'm getting more cedarwood in the splash than I was in the soap. Oh, that is so beautiful. Definitely, for now, my favorite out of the first 5 days. All right, guys, that's it for day 5. Tune in tomorrow for day 6. Let me know down below about your Christmas dinner and anything that's out of the ordinary that you have for Christmas dinner. Find your peace in what and where you can. Have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.